In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make an Epic Games account on your PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first thing that I want to say before I teach you how to set up an Epic Games account so you can play all of the titles on your PlayStation 4 is that to do this process, you have to use a web browser. Even though you will be able to use the Epic Games account that you create on your PlayStation 4 directly to actually start this process and set up your account, you will have to use a web browser to visit the store.epicgames.com website. Alternatively, if you are doing this for Fortnite itself, you can also go to their own website at fortnite.com, but basically you will need to have access to a web browser either on your computer or your phone. Once you arrive at the Epic Games website or the Fortnite website, click on this little user icon at the top, and immediately upon clicking it, you will be able to sign up using any valid email address. You will also notice that you have plenty of options to pick from at the bottom. So if you don't want to spend time setting up your account with a standard email address, you can also click the PlayStation icon and a new window will open, redirecting you to the Sony or PlayStation website where you can sign in using your PSN ID. This is going to significantly speed up the process, but I personally like to sign up for services and websites using an email address. So I'm going to demonstrate this instead. I'm going to type a random email address, and you will notice that once you click continue, that email address is going to be verified. If it detects that no accounts are associated with that email address, you will be able to proceed. Include your date of birth, so month, day, and year, continue, and finally, pick your country from the list. Include your first and last name, a display name, which is going to be basically your gamer tag or how other players are going to be able to find you, and the password. Read and agree with the terms of service and continue to create your account. With these credentials, namely the email address and password, you will be able to sign into this Epic Games account when you open any compatible game on your PlayStation 4. If you are doing this process with Fortnite, you will get the instructions on how to link this account on screen, and it is extremely simple to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to make an Epic Games account on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.